Hi, I'm Mike from Catholic Treehouse, and today I'm going to challenge you to be a saint.
Born in France in 1579, Germaine Cousin's mother died when she was just an infant. Her father remarried and largely ignored her, and her stepmother forced her to sleep in the stable, and she frequently beat Germaine or scalded her with hot water as punishment, even when Germaine was innocent of the accused misbehavior. When she was 9, she was put to work as a shepherdess, where she spent her time in prayer, and she would leave the flock under the care of her guardian angel so she could go to daily mass. She taught the faith to other children, shared her food with them, and her reputation for holiness grew. She died at the age of 22 on a straw pallet under the stairs. Her remains are incorrupt, and over 400 documented miracles and graces have been obtained through her intercession.
Here is your challenge for today.
When Saint Germaine Cousin would pray in the fields, she often used a rosary that she made out of a knotted piece of cord. Rosaries don't have to be fancy, they just have to be used. Today, go to a craft store and buy some cord and make a knotted cord rosary. When you're done, pray with it. Then give it away and make another. Check the show notes for a link to a video with instructions.
The Saint Challenge is brought to you by Catholic Treehouse. Find out how you can support the Saint Challenge with a monthly subscription or one-time contribution at thesaintchallenge.com or catholictreehouse.com. If you're enjoying the Saint Challenge, challenge a friend to join you. Together, let's be saints.